Hello everyone, it's me again. So this time I gonna make a pattern of Filipiniana sleeve. So this we gonna use and make an improvised roller. So we need roller, French curve, scissor, pencil, of course measuring tape, and another one I need to use. And this parchment paper or the baking paper, you can use it also. So this is the cardboard that I need to use to make the pattern. First of all, you're gonna make the measurement of your armhole. So let's start it. So we need to measure the armhole. That's my size, of course. Okay, that not so tight because it must have an allowance. So it's 16, like this, 16, but I need to make it 16 and a half. Okay, 16 and a half. Yeah. So now we need to get the measurement of 7 by 7 with this cardboard. So this 7 by 7. So after measurement, this is 7 by 7. Fold into 4. 2. It must be 4 corner. So in here we need to measure 3 by 2. 2 inch in here. 2 inch. And 3 inch. So that's the measurement of armhole. We need the French curve for the form. There you go. And then need to cut it out. So this is the size of armhole in here for the Filipiniana sleeve. So we need to follow this, and then we need to have this big cardboard. Okay, we need to measure 18 by 18. So let's do this. So we're gonna have this already, the measurement of 18 by 18, and then this we're gonna use for the armhole, and let's start to make it. this to place in here to the middle, it will divide into 4 also. This 18 by 18, so the center must be here also, and to the other side. Okay, so that's the armhole. And then from this upper part, we need to measure 2.5 to the right and 2.5 move forward again, all the way round in here. All the way 5 inch. I don't want to make it wider, the sleeve, that's why I just decided to have 2.5 both. So now we need to attach with the French curve. But if you don't have French curve roller, you need to find the circle one, which is you can use to make a half circle. Maybe the cover of the pot or whatever is circle. Doesn't make perfect circle, but just the form. So, and then straight line in here. And then from down of your armhole, need to measure 2 inch apart there. So 2 inch. That's 2 inch. So that's it. And then down here, you need to use 1/4 of this. So this is the form now of Filipiniana sleeve. That's why I don't like to make it wide. The sleeve is only 2.5, 2.5, both sides, so it's 5 both sides. And to make it curve in here, I need to use this side here, the 1/4. It's easy, but you can use it also for the French curve, but this is automatic. And at the same time also to the other side, like that. So that's the form now. Need to cut out the pattern and to make it here so that we can fold it. Now we're gonna make this to the pattern. Just to copy all the way. So is it. Now need to cut it out. So we cut out already. So this is already the form. And then we need to fold into half. And to get the armhole and the measurement at the same in here, we need to do the same. So from here, from down parts, the measurement is 2. We don't need allowance, just later to the fabric. We need to have an allowance for seam allowance. Okay, so this is the middle. We need to follow also. And this the 4th. Okay, so this from 2 down there, we need to follow here so that it's the same size. And we need to mark the middle here because that's gonna start our counting for a half, 2.5 I mean. So is it. And we need to have this for sure. Okay, so from this armhole we need to measure again, just only 2.5 because that's the fold we need to have it. Okay, 2.5 all the way halfway round. So is it. And now we need to follow this 2.5 in here. So that we're gonna fold like this, and in here also 2.5. So it's like this now, and then in here we need to measure 1.5 for folding. Okay, this See? Okay. So start in half. From here. One and a half. One and a half. And one and a half. It's already here. All the way I started at the top. I mark 1.5 inch to fold. Okay, for the folding now, to make the form like this. It's like this already. It's not so wide, the sleeve, just enough what I want, like this. So that's what I make before. So start here, the upper part going down. The upper part. But it's up to you which wide you wanted for the pleats. But I choose 1.5. You can do it 1 inch. So that's the beginning of folding at the top, the upper part. So this is it now. Just 5 pleats, both sides, and that's the wide that I like. Yeah. Nope. So this is it. And then later on, when you cut out the fabric, that's the time you have an allowance for seam allowance. See? And also the interfacing. That's it.